The flu season has arrived and many other sicknesses as well. Do you want to be sick?
No!
So you're asking, what can I do to stay healthy and keep others healthy around me?
Yeah!
Well, you can start by knowing how to sneeze correctly. Even though it sounds funny, sneezing with the incorrect form can keep you from getting better and can also spread dangerous viruses and bacteria.
Few facts about the average sneeze before we get started. Material from a sneeze travels 2 to 3 meters. The speed of a sneeze is approximately 150 kilometers an hour. Your heart does not stop when you sneeze. February 16th is National Sneeze Day.
The average person sneezes about 10 to 15 times a day. That's a lot of germs being spread. To prevent the spread of germs, there are a few simple techniques.
Step 1. Raise your arm at a 90-degree angle to your body. Step 2. Wrap your arm around your mouth so that your elbow is under your nose. By doing this, you will reduce the amount of hazardous mucus that will enter the air and possibly infect another human, causing them to die a slow, painful, terrible death that can only be compared to falling out.
Dude, that's completely not true. You're just scaring the crap out of everybody.
Well, I'm just trying to teach them to cover their mouths.
It doesn't. Just keep going.
All right. Step 3. Follow through with a nice, healthy sneeze. And always remember to say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Sneezing can happen when you least expect it.
You could be putting together the family meal, getting the pots and pans out, the sugar ready.
BAM!
It happens. It can happen when you're talking to your friends. It can happen after an enormously awesome 360 windmill dunk. It can happen when you're eating a delicious school lunch. Achoo! It can even happen when you're just standing there.
Now that we know how to sneeze correctly, are you kids ready for a sneeze-off?
No!
Well, too bad. Alan Petrovich! Next up, Kelly Blair. A mother former married to Mr. Blair was taught in the teacher in Newman High School. She enjoys playing soccer with the boys, doing TikTok pictures in her spare time, and long walks on the beach. She lives in a blue house in the country. Her credit card number is 25447.
Dude, seriously? I mean, one more time and you're done. Seriously.
Kelly Blair.
Next up, Patrick P. Money Monahan.
Okay, well, I'm not really sure what that was, but that's all the time we have, ladies and gentlemen, so just remember, if there was no breeze, it was a good sneeze.
Everything in this video reflects the views of New Haven High School Student Athletic Leadership Table, inclusive, not diminishing to the views of the rest of the students, while at the same time showing our excessive superiority over our peers. Side effects of sneezing may include massive cardiac arrest, epileptic seizures, loss of hair, hives, fevers, uncontrollable bowel movement, and in some very atypical cases, self-annihilation. For all those questioning our moral integrity, Matthew Derby did not partake in filming of the video because no one is worthy of capturing his presence in the form of high school extracurricular activity. None of the video, audio, or various breathtaking simulations should in any way be reproduced, reformatted, or replicated without the consent of Matthew Derby. All hail him. Seriously, I mean it. Please remember to keep all of this knowledge hidden from the Decepticons and Death Eaters, because we all know that particle accelerator will cause a black hole if one of these two groups is enlightened with this information. We hope that you've enjoyed the time we spent together, in the words of Peter Griffin. You know those Germans, if you don't join the party, they come get you.